Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. If you're looking to master digital form, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce the field display rules in Jodoo. With this feature, you can dynamically show or hide fields based on specific conditions. This helps set up the conditional logic in your survey form. So, let's get started. Here, I've prepared a sample form. In this survey, we're asking the question, how did you hear about us? And giving options like friend or social media. Now, based on the answer, we want to show the corresponding fields. If someone chooses a friend, we want to ask for their name. If they choose social media, we want to know which platform they found us on. Now, let's do it step by step. First, we click this field and go to Field Properties. Under Display Rules, we click Settings to add 2 rules. If the answer to "How did you find out about us?" is a friend, then show the friend's name field. And if choosing social media, then show the social media platform options. Now click OK to save the rule settings. And now, the form configuration is also finished, so save the form. Let's take a look at how it works. I go back to the form filling page and now I can only see the first field here. But if I choose friend, friend's name field will pop up. And if I tick the social media, I need to select the platform on which I get to know Jodoo. Pretty neat, right? That's conditional logic at work, making your forms more dynamic and user-friendly. And that's a wrap for field display rules in Jodoo. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of the Jodoo Masterclass series. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.